Best way to detect negative energies at home using only a glass of water. Energy, negative or positive, cannot be seen by the naked eye, but it can be felt. Energy shows itself through the many happenings around us. Through these we can detect if the energy is negative or positive. There are so many techniques that can help you detect negative energies in your home. Today we're going to show you the simplest one, which will detect negative energies and clear them from your home and maintain the harmony in your family. We inhabit certain energies wherever we live. Our homes are a space of unity where many energies meet. Our feelings, thoughts and emotions emit a certain type of energy, but also attract other energies. Family members, neighbors or visitors in our homes can bring in negative energies which may affect our mood and well-being. The energy debris can be a result of negative emotions, thoughts, occurrences, and stress that you have experienced in your space. Your house is like a sponge. Whatever transpires in your environment is absorbed into the walls, furniture, carpet, ceiling, and objects. Frequently, these negative energies accumulate in the corners and tucked away places. Also, if you had a negative event happens recently or a lot of sadness or fear cleanses your space immediately. Once they enter your home, negative energies impact your whole life. They can cause your budget to fluctuate, break the relationships between family members and disrupt the harmony in your home. As a result, you will feel anxious, restless and broken, with no will to live. However, the symptoms may not be noticeable early, which is why it's important to know how to detect the negative energy in your home. Before starting, it's important to know the reason for the disharmony. Sometimes, even negative energies are not the culprit. However, if you can't find the underlying problem, try this trick to detect negative energies. Get a clear, transparent glass and pour sea salt in it. It should cover about 1/3 of the glass. Top the glass off with 1/3 water and 1/3 white vinegar, and then put it in the room where you think the bad vibes are most powerful. Put the glass in a hidden spot and leave it for a full day. Make sure no one moves it from the spot. After 24 hours, examine the glass. If it's just like you left it, there are no negative energies in that room. You can try the trick in another room and see what happens. If the glass has smudges or a lot of bubbles, and is clearly not like you left it, it is a result of energy problems. In this case, repeat the procedure again with a new glass, and repeat until it's as clean as you left it. It is important to know that you need to throw away the content from the glass in the toilet, and flush the toilet, which will clear all the negative energy absorbed in your house. You can do the same the next day if you still feel bad vibes around you. Repeat the procedure until the water in the glass is the same as you left it.